A hard reset or factory reset restores your Spectrum router to its original manufacturer settings, erasing all custom configurations like Wi-Fi names, passwords, parental controls, and any firmware updates. This is a powerful troubleshooting step when facing persistent issues such as slow speeds, dropped connections, forgotten admin credentials, or after a failed firmware update. The hard reset process clears any corrupted data and essentially gives you a clean slate, though it will require you to set up your Wi-Fi network again. Importantly, a hard reset is more thorough than a simple reboot and can resolve issues that a soft reboot cannot. It's often a last resort before contacting Spectrum support, and it may require you to reactivate your internet service afterward. The reset button mechanism is located at the back of the router. First, locate the recessed reset button on the back of your Spectrum router. This small hole is present in models like RAC2V1A, E31T2V1, and newer Wi-Fi 6/6E models such as SR510N and SX10V1. Next, prepare the router. Make sure it is powered on and connected to a power source. Disconnect any Ethernet cables connected to the router. Now, use a paperclip or similar small pointed object to press and hold the reset button for 10 to 30 seconds. Watch the lights on the router. They should flash or change, indicating that the reset process has begun. Wait for the lights to stabilize. Once they do, the router has completed the reset and is back to its default settings. After the reset, reconfigure your Wi-Fi network, including the SSID and password, and reconnect your devices. Note that some newer Spectrum routers also offer app-based reset options within the My Spectrum app. While convenient, physical hard resets are generally more reliable for a complete factory wipe.